Hi, and welcome to Happy Sewing. In this tutorial, we are making this simple neck warmer in any size. If you enjoy this video, show it by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please subscribe to Happy Sewing. The tools we need are scissors, rotary cutter, clips, glue pen, ruler, and of course, the fabric. The first step is cutting the fabric. Before we start cutting, we need to take the length of an XL male size, which is 42 centimeters long and 30 centimeters wide. That's what we're making in this tutorial. You can add or subtract 5 centimeters from the length and 3 centimeters width for each size for male sizes. The next step is to fold the ends. These ends will be the top and the bottom of the neck warmer. We make the folds 2 to 3 centimeters for the best comfort. We use glue on both ends for stabilization, and we apply clips. We turn the neck warmer and do the same on the other side. And when the folds are perfectly aligned, we sew them. These neck warmers are a very nice and simple garment that will keep you warm. I've also seen a lot of people using these neck warmers as a protective face mask. Even though a medical face mask is 80% safer than using a neck warmer, I would consider using a more suited fabric for that type of use. We chose wool fabric for this neck warmer because it's mostly going to be used in the winter time. You can also add a layer of fleece if you want the neck warmer to have extra insulation. If you don't intend to use the neck warmer in these conditions, I recommend using any stretchy fabric. The next step is to sew the neck warmer together. We simply fold it and place the sides on top of each other. We use glue at both ends, and we apply clips. I applied 2 clips at the end to make sure that the top and bottom of the neck warmer stays in place. We are using a serger for these seams. The alignment doesn't have to be perfect on the side when we are using a serger. That's because sergers have a knife that cut any excess fabric. The neck warmer is done. As you can see, my husband loves using the neck warmer. I hope that your neck warmer makes someone just as happy as him. If you like tutorials like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Happy Sewing. Thanks for watching.